Kids! Hi, Kitty Kids! Now we're learning about numbers. Are you ready? This is number 1. Let's count all the way to 10. This is number 1. Can you say it with me? 1.
1 apple, 1 car.
Great job, Kitty Kids! After number 1 comes this. What number is it? Yes, it's number 2. Let's count together. 1, 2. This is number 2. Can you say it with me? 2.
Number 2. 2 ducks, 1, 2 ducks.
Awesome, Kitty Kids! After number 2 comes what? That's right, number 3. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. Can you say it with me? 3.
Number 3. 3 basketballs. 1, 2, 3 basketballs.
You're doing great, Kitty Kids! We've counted to 3 safe. Now what comes next? Yes, number 4. Leather. Number 4. 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. Look what I've got, Kitty Kids! It's number 5. Isn't it fun and fantastic? Can you say with me number 5? Say again, number 5.
Number 5. 5 strawberries.
Whoa! This number looks like it's doing a little roll. Can you tell what number it is? Yes, it's number 6. Can you say with me number 6? Say again, number 6.
Number 6. 6 cupcakes.
This one has a sharp little angle at the top. Can you guess what number it is? Yes, it's number 7. Can you say with me number 7? Say again, number 7.
Number 7. 7 kites.
Look at this one. It has 2 round parts stacked together. Can you guess what number this is? Yes, it's number 8.
Number 8. 8 donuts.
Look at this big number 9. Isn't it fun? We can count together. Can you say with me number 9? Say again, number 9.
Number 9. 9. 9 cars.
Look, when we put 1 and 0 together, we get this number. Can you guess? Yes, it's number 10. Can you say with me number 10? Say again, number 10, 10.
Number 10. 10. 10 balloons.
Great job today, friends! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time!